Kanimori ji, I want to ask you, as part of the UPA government, you've been at the receiving end as well. The 2G spectrum charges against you before they were let up by the court. There is now the reopening of the case and hearing of the case going on in the High Court in Delhi. Do you think that has affected your political career and your personal political journey?
See, it is not a reopening of the case. I think after the trial court, it's a part of the process by the CBI to take it for appeal in the High Court, and that is going on. And like we face the trial court, we are prepared to face the High Court case also. And yes, it did affect me personally, and it did affect. Maybe it took away a lot of time from politics, because I had to be in court and physically be there, present in court for years together. So it did affect, but I think we did not say that, we did not ask for a postponement, or we didn't try to stay the process or anything. We faced the trial and we've been acquitted, and I think it's taught me a lot personally and politically also. So in that way, it was a very enriching experience.
Kanimori ji, I want to ask you, how are your relations with the Congress party? You've been in Delhi, you've met Sonia Gandhi so many times. What do you think of Rahul Gandhi? And the fact that the seat sharing, where Congress's share of the seats has come down from 41 to 25. Do you really think Congress under Rahul Gandhi really does not have the winning streak, given their performance last time, where they won only 12% of the seats that they were given? Do you think they've become a liability under Rahul Gandhi?
See, seat sharing is definitely like, I think in the Lok Sabha elections, we had given Congress more number of constituencies, because it was a Lok Sabha election, and this election is an assembly election, and it is an election which is fought under the leadership of the DMK, and it is the DMK government which is going to be formed, and obviously we will try to contest as many seats as possible. So it is not bringing down the number of seats does not mean that we are trying to undermine any party's leadership, or what kind of whatever kind of popularity the party enjoys among the people. This election is an assembly election, and it is led by the DMK government, and we wanted to contest as many seats as possible, and I think all our alliance partners have understood that, and they have brought down their the seats they have contesting this time. So I don't think it is particular that only the Congress has brought its number of seats down. I think all the alliance partners have agreed to contest in less number of seats, because we have to fight these elections together. That was what everybody thought was important. So definitely it does not mean that we are undermining anybody, or we think anybody has lost credibility among the people or not. Only because we need all these alliance partners and we respect them, that we are in alliance with them, and we ensure that we are together to face this election.
Well, that was Kanimori from the family of Karunanidhi, an important part of the DMK, important face there, clearly playing down the cutting of seats of the Congress party, playing a balancing game at this point in time. DMK, the hot favorites as far as this election in Tamil Nadu is concerned, but what will the results throw up? We'll know on May 2nd. Be with Times Now, and thank you very much, Ms. Kanimori, for joining me on Frankly Speaking.